Welcome to Relevant Classes. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the prepositions. Here in English language, there are three types of prepositions are there, and last one is means fourth one is prepositional phrase. And dear friends, I want to tell you which are three types. Means preposition of time. First one is preposition of time, and second one is preposition of place, and third one is preposition of direction, and last one is prepositional phrase. So I want to clarify you the preposition of time, and then before the preposition of time I will tell you what do you mean by preposition. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between the nouns pronouns with another words. So dear friends, the prepositions are very important in English language, and they played very important role in English language, and without prepositions we are unable to make sentences. So dear friends, I will tell you first preposition means preposition of time. So I will give you some examples, and before go to the examples, I will tell you which preposition shows the time. First one, at, on, in, for, since, by, during, from, within. So these are the preposition of time. Means this preposition shows the time. At we use for a specific time, and on we use for the days especially, and in we use for the week, months, year, season, date, especially date, and then for we use for the period of time, and then since period of startness, and by not later than, and during within period of time it will tell. So I will give you some examples and it will more clear to you. Okay, here first I told at, and I will make sentence by using at. I want to meet you at 8 o'clock. I want to meet you at 8 o'clock. So next one is means second one, my birthday is on Saturday. And third one, I have party in December. I have party in December. And next one, I have been taking swimming classes for 6 weeks, 6 months, so etc. I have been taking swimming classes for 6 months or 6 weeks, etc. And next one, I have been working as an English teacher since 1999. I have been working as an English teacher since 1999. And next one, you should be home by 6 p.m. You should be home by 6 p.m. And next, I met many people during my vacation days. I met many people during my vacation days. And next one, I have to complete my paper within 3 hours. And I came from Solapur. So these are the sentences. So dear friends, I will show you on the screen also, and it will more clarify to you. Okay, and dear friends, when we use at and when we use in, I will clarify in a single sentence. At use in the smaller places and in user in the larger places. I will give one example. I live in Delhi at Shivajinagar street. So and from and since, I will give you one example. From and since. So when we mention the amount of time, at that time we use from. Means I have been working as an English teacher from 20 years. So I have been working as an English teacher from 20 years. And when we mention the special dates, at that time we use since. Means I have been working as an English teacher since 1998 or 1999. So I have been working as an English teacher since 1999. So in this way, dear friends, I have explained all those things about the preposition of time. So dear friends, I hope you understood. If you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. Thank you very much.